kó la ń bọ̀ bẹ̀jẹ̀ ìyára ìyá wèrè wo ọmọ Yorùbá ní gẹ̀yìn ẹ̀yìn mọ̀ ń gẹ̀yìn ẹ máa wo banga now dey cut Yorùbá boy wey dey cut banga I come this life go dey suffer myself I don tire na so life be hey ẹ jágbe dúró náà ẹ bá ń gbó mi mo fẹ́ mọ mi mo ní ẹ wá come bring water wàhálà I don lose strength I don lose strength if that my life wan go now see my own strength wàhálà you know say I dey breathe mo ní ẹ wá. If I no say this banga today you no dey go school today. Dey pray if I say this banga today you go school today. Yeah, to marry no easy. When I dey go marry your mama we dey plenty go marry. But when I dey train na for school only me dey cut the banga, only me dey pick am. If you go school no understand something I go use you I go show you how to do. I go show you everything. I go show you what you never sabi. See, if you go school today, if I say this banga, try to understand something new. Grab sign. You understand? We are the hope of the sign of the wonder. Banga don't cost. Banga don't cost. If you say this one, it will reach you to chop everything where you go chop. You go happy and you go cut a sign. We go do my kind. Hey, Umaka making progress. Well, we could go say banga. Come. Hey, yeah, got us. Oh, you know why I catch a ma. For my side, everywhere in Marama. But Umaka, when I didn't everywhere in a 5G network. Hey, God. If God bless me, if I tell you people finish, I go inherit everything while I suffer. Any father must surely inherit in suffer. Any woman will born people, he will inherit everything. When you wire catch a man. Mama Gracie. I carry banga come. I want to use my two children, they don't want to go to school. I want to use and pay their school fees. Yes, I hear say your son now. Nah, Kizito was such an apparent Indian base. Overall, watching them, on a quarter sign this Mama, you the grab sign. As a water from Ami, as the ego, as the money. On a quarter. Mama, how much you go buy? See, this thing now, 500. 15 naira. See, Mama. 15 naira now for person where they smooth, where they blow oil. No be you do it. I see, Mama. No verse. I give me 300. 100 naira you get. Or you will be say that you be Mama Kizito such a palanco. Bring her, Mama. Bring her. Mama, bring. No, we'll complete the money. Complete them. No be anything card. I don't reach complete her. Put hand there. Put hand. The mama just bang out. No money there. Because of you, nah. Kuda. Hey. I don't know. Say you both are thief. All of them. No. Only. Only. Oh yeah, Mama. Come here. Come here. That's what they do. You can't pass your pikin for her. No, Mama. Now you want my banga now. Me, I never collect them. Mama, never. No. My pikin want to register. You want pay your boy school fees. You pass your pikin for body. You can't want to get banga. You can't carry my mother. My mother belongs. You can't my mother go. Mother. No. I surrender. I surrender. Mama. Banga never. Only. I dey bring another banga. Watch my pikin. Only. Watch my pikin. Only. Wait in the talk.